Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a silk press. Going to give you all a little tutorial to get your silk press looking silk, sleek, straight, full, voluminous, all of the above. Y'all, it turned out so nice. Let's just get right into the video. Let's get into it. Got out of the shower like 10 minutes ago, and I've only blow dried like one section so far because I want to show you guys how I blow dry it, because the preparation, I feel like in silk presses, is the most important part. Especially like even washing and conditioning the hair. I'm going to show you exactly what shampoo I use. I'm also going to put it in the description. Same with conditioner. I use professional shampoo and then like a anti-humidity conditioner, and that's really important so your silk press actually lasts and it's shiny. Using a clarifying shampoo is I would say the most important step in silk presses. People overlook this so much, and it's just going to allow all of the dirt and product and buildup and oil, whatever, to be completely out of your hair. And you're gonna do 2 to 3 washes to make sure everything is like out and you're good, and then you're gonna follow up with conditioner. And just to be extra, like I put a heat cap or a steam cap, whatever you call it, on when I have the conditioner, just so that I knew the conditioner was actually like penetrating my hair shaft, and it feels really nice. This is the first section that I blow dried, and you see that it's like almost like straight. Like I blow dry it as straight as possible. That's probably the second key step in a silk press, and if I could blow dry it even more straight I would, but I tried. This is as much as I can go, and I'm just using the Revlon blow dryer. Sorry guys, I'm stuffy. I'm still kind of sick. Not really, but I'm just getting over a cold or whatever it was. But yeah, so I use this. This is the easiest tool for me. Literally just brush it through and it's done. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do the next part. Okay, so I'm gonna take out this top half now. I'm doing it in 4 sections. Ooh. Okay, that is a lot of hair. Okay though, it'll, ooh, I don't think it's parted right. There we go. Cool. Okay, and I'm gonna put this part back. The way my skin is glowing, like, let's take a moment, because I've been drinking apple cider vinegar water. I literally have it, like my apple cider vinegar right here. I've been drinking it every single day, and it's definitely making a difference, which I love. Anyways, okay, so now that we have the section out, I'm first gonna go in with the what is this even by? Color Wow Dream Coat. It's like anti-humidity heat protectant spray. Yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about this. This is actually my first time using it, but I heard all I needed to hear. But yeah, so I'm just gonna like not soak, but like I spray enough and not too much, because like I know anytime you put too much of anything in your hair before it's silk press, it's gonna make it like all crunchy, and we don't want that. That's not what we want. I'm not trying to achieve that. I feel like that is enough. I don't want to put too much, because I'm also using the Chi heat protectant. I'm just really paranoid. I don't want to damage my hair more than it is, so I'm just gonna use this as well. And I'm just gonna put this on my ends alone, just a few sprays, and then I'm gonna use my denim brush to brush it through before I go in with the Revlon brush, just because I'm trying to avoid any tangling or breakage or anything like that, and this always gets the job done. Guys, I'm being a little rough with my hair because I'm like low-key rushing. I'm not usually this rough. I just like start all the way at the bottom and then go up and then go up, but like I'm like rushing myself. I don't know why. Okay. After I like brush it evenly through, I'm just gonna brush this with the Revlon dryer for as long as it takes to get to like this type of straight. So gonna take out this back braid and then just braid them together. That's how she's looking so far. I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to do a trim. Hold on. Having my hair straightened will make my life a little easier because I don't have to deal with it, which is funny because I literally just had braids in, so like it wouldn't have mattered. I had them in for literally a week. It's that I cannot keep my hands out of my hair, y'all. It's so bad, but we're not gonna talk about it. So yeah, I'm gonna do the exact same thing to this side and then I'll come right back. Okay, we're done blow drying and I'm not putting any more product on my hair. I used to like put it again once it's blow dried, like before I straighten it, but I'm just gonna try it the other way this time because I feel like I put too much low-key. Yeah, so for my straightener, I actually just bought this too. You guys, everything is like new. Everything is new in this video. But let's open. Ooh, she is so pretty. This is the, y'all gonna think I'm crazy. What am I talking about? A flat iron in third person. But yeah, this is the Wavy Talk straightener, and this has been all over TikTok. That's not why I bought it, but it's titanium, and I heard titanium is a lot better for getting like really silky straight hair. I'm trying to get this stuff off. And it was pretty affordable, and I heard only good things about it, so I wanted to try it out myself. And since it's a little bit bigger, like the what is this freaking called? Whatever it's called. This is bigger. It's supposed to also make your hair straighter quicker. So I'm gonna see what I'm starting, like what time I'm starting, and then what time I finish, so I can tell you like exactly how long it takes me to. Why am I okay? It's 5:49 right now. I'm gonna wait to see like how much it turns up to, and then from there adjust it, because I don't know, it's heating up pretty fast though. Okay, so for the straightening part, all you're really gonna need is the straightener, preferably titanium straightener, and then a rat tail comb. This is all messy, don't mind it. But yeah, so it's at 360. I think this is what it's set to as like the default, so we're gonna turn it up all the way to 410. I'm not going past 410. This is already like low-key pushing it, but y'all, I'm trying to get that straight. I feel like I need someone to like lay this down, and then we're gonna clip it up. This looks crazy right now, but it's okay. So we're gonna split this back piece into two pretty small sections. I'm not gonna do too small because I'll be here all day, but okay, so I'm gonna use the chase method. If you're not familiar, it's just following the straightener with your comb, and that's literally it. I used to do it like behind the straightener, but that's not how you're supposed to do it. Yeah, I'm getting a moment. Let's move this out of my face. I'm scared to burn myself. Like, it's so hot. I can literally smell the heat coming from it. Okay, I'm trying to do like not too many passes. I didn't even do the chase method with that, and that is okay. We'll do it on the next go, because if I burn myself, that's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. Just gonna show you. I'm literally like scared to go close to the root, but you know what? Okay, I'm gonna do my other method where like I do a few passes like at the root and then just go straight down, because I feel like that's gonna make me like less scary, because I'm actually holding the straightener and doing it, and I just go like this when I do that. I just, because getting the root is like the most important part. I just do a few passes like that, and then I go throughout the whole hair, and then same thing, but chase method. Boom, boom.
almost 22K on the video.
So I've been watching Star and then Hulu started glitching, so I switched over to YouTube. Now my computer's glitching. Okay, so we're like 3/4 done right now. This is what she's looking like. You know, it's definitely giving silk press, but it's not giving silk as much, which is, it's all right. My hair is not that, it's okay. My hair's a little dry, it's fine. But this is what, like, I love the movement of it though. Like, it's definitely giving. And I have this one little section left, so let's straighten her out together. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so tired. But hold on, move. Stop, this is gonna cause so cute. Y'all, the last time I straightened my hair was like 3 weeks ago. I'm gonna be so honest, and I hated how it turned out, which is why I was like, let me actually do research on how to do a silk press and then like get it right this time. Yeah, because I was like, I literally just damaged my hair for no reason. This looks like a blowout. Like, it looks so, I'm gonna insert a picture if I can, but it looks bad. Like, it wasn't, people were saying it looks good, but you know, people just be talking to talk. I'm just kidding, but yeah, it did not, it wasn't giving. Anyways, I'm gonna show you up here. Okay, this is getting annoying. For the other side, it just stayed. Okay, so for the root, because the roots have to be like super flat for it to lay, and there's hair on my mouth, so yeah, for the roots I go like 5 passes, like that, and then I just go down super slow using the chase method. And then once I get like almost to the end, I put the comb back up so I don't lose it, and then I put the straightener like right behind it. And then again, this is the only way I know how to do it, because like otherwise the hair like falls and it's annoying. And then yeah, I just did 2 passes and like 1 quick pass, and that's it, because we do not want to damage these curls, even though they probably are going to be. It's okay, you guys. I use 2 different heat protectants. I feel like I'll be all right, and my hair is pretty healthy, I think, at least. I hope. But yeah, okay. And I'm doing like super small sections, you guys. I was gonna do like not too small, but I was like, you know what, let me take my time. I have nothing to do today. I have no rush other than like go eat, and I think that's it for today. I finished all my stuff early. Oh wait, I lied, I have homework. But it's not due till Sunday. I just don't want to do it over the weekend, so I'm gonna do it today, so I can have the weekend to just like, well, I guess work. I have to work over the weekend, but outside of work to just relax and study if needed. Okay, well, actually not study, prepare for my presentations and then study. I feel like, did I even do the multiple passes? I was not paying attention. I might watch it back and be like, girl, okay, let's make a better part, because I don't know what is going on with that. Need paper. No, I kind of want to like bump out. Actually, I feel like the front pieces need a little more attention, not gonna lie, but I don't want to like redo that whole piece, so I'm gonna do it like this. It looks weird right now, but trust, because we want to get those edges like slick. And then I'm just gonna take my time, 1 pass only. I'm not trying to damage my front pieces. Okay, see how much better that looks? Thank you. Now, same thing here, just to get the edges, take it and get to the root. Y'all, I'm so scared I'm about to burn my scalp right now, but I'm having faith in myself. And boom. And boom, you guys, that is, y'all, it looks so healthy. It's really, it looks healthier than it is, I bet. But oh, this looks so good compared to last week. I mean, not last week, 3 weeks ago. Like, she's eating, yes, and the movement, like, be so for real. This looks good. But yes, that is the end of this video then. It's silk press season. Yeah, if anyone has any tips on like how to maintain it, I would really appreciate that. I ordered, like, I'll put it on the screen here, but I ordered like this heatless curling thing, so I'm hoping that helps me like preserve it, because I know it's like you're supposed to wrap it, and I don't know how to do all of that. We'll figure it out. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, post notifications on, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.